ဖေမရနဲ့ဖေရရင်စားမှာလေဖေရရင်ဓာမီကြီးနဲ့စားမှာလေဖေမရနဲ့ခွန်ထပ်ပြောလိုက်မယ်ဖင်ရမှုမှာအာမခံမရှိဘူးအဲ့ဒါသိတာဖင်ရမှုမှာအာမခံမရှိဘူးမင်းတို့တွေမဖြစ်နိုင်အောင်ပြောနေတဲ့ stand up player only နဲ့ division မှာကြမ်းမှုလုံနေပြီတစ်ဖက်တည်းကအဲ့လောက်ကြီးတော့မဟုတ်ပါဘူး Batistuta Gallery နှစ်ယောက်ထဲပါကဲပွဲစပြီကျုံးမီ
Making a difference here. Someone I really like a lot, Peter, is Matthias de Ligt. You can't get much better than him when it comes to taking the ball up the pitch into midfield and then linking up with his midfielders and his attackers, sometimes driving even further forward. He really is amongst the very best in the world at doing this. Yeah, he'll certainly be leaving his mark on this game, quite possibly actually at both ends. It's with the keeper. Alexander-Arnold. Now Howson.
Oliver Kahn. It's
Alexander-Arnold. It's Rudiger. Oh, what a mistake! It's Dembele.
ဖေမရနဲ့ဖေရရင်စားမှာလေဖင်ရရင်ဓာမီကြီးနဲ့စားမှာလေဖေမရနဲ့ခွန်ထပ်ပြောလိုက်မယ်ဖင်ရမှုမှာအာမခံမရှိဘူးအဲ့ဒါသိတာဖင်ရမှုမှာအာမခံမရှိဘူး
Game's first significant moments. In the match we anticipated. Fabinho. Vitinha. And if you have just joined us, still just one goal between them. And the score is 1-0. Šeško. And it's Fabinho. Mendes. Messi is always looking to break lines. It's found support out wide. Yamal receives it in a wide position. Some big running on show here, but ultimately there was no way through. Yamal! Oh, it's coming right. Good defending and indecisive passing. No progress. Alexander-Arnold got a long way forward to join the attack. Musiala. Well, that's well spotted. Messi. And here's Batistuta. That has sent him sprawling.
ကောင်းလားဟေးနောက်တန်းရညာဘူးတယောက်ထပ်မလုံးနဲ့ဒါ
Myanmar looking to
Yeah,
go
no,
into
that's
the
not
break
really
1-0
enough.
up. It's an imaginative pass. That's gone behind for a goal kick. Finds himself unceremoniously floored.
တော်သေးတယ်တော်သေးတယ်တော်သေးတယ်
He's going to be disappointed with that. And here's Bale. And he is deftly away.
ဟာသွားပြီ
And the referee has pointed at the spot. And that is a huge moment in the context of the game.
ဒီကရ please please
France
please
to get level.
please အာ
We're level. Not much more than a formality. Well, I'm not sure what body language the keeper was trying to read, but it didn't work. It sounds to be indicated. Looking at a different game now. Well, this is to be expected, Peter, when you've got two. And we've reached half time. So it's all square. Neither side has been able to make a telling difference, but it hasn't been for the lack of trying. 45 minutes of uncompromising football.
လက်ရှူလေးပါရှူကုန်ရပြီ
So once again, we're underway. Let's get there. Vitinha pops him off in and wins back the ball. Tries to pass it through. It's been played through. A good take in a good area. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it. You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious trouble lay in store.
တော့ဖင်ရနေတယ်တော့ဖင်ရနေတယ်ဟာ
Here's a corner. Good chance.
တော့ဖင်ရနေတယ်နိုင်မကြောက်ဖင်ရနေတော့ ပါလဲစကေးမလို့ကံမဲလို့လားဘရိုစကေးမလို့ဘာတော့ကံမဲလို့လားဟာတခါလေကြောင်းလဲစကေးမလို့ကံမဲလို့